Hello, Thomas. How are you?
Hello, Enrico. I'm doing fine. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. It's been a few years since your last visit in Italy. What do you do exactly now?
I manage a hedge fund, ETA strategy, trading commodity futures from Sweden.
The markets are evolving, and in recent years, particularly with the advent of the HFT. Did you modify some of your trading system in the last 5 years? And if yes, are you exploring new areas of research?
Well, the answer to trading systems is actually no, but I am exploring new areas of research. I'm doing much more research on money management and algorithms for better deciding position size. That's been my main focus for the last 5 years or so.
And the results are good?
The results are very good. They're really outperforming all competitors in the segment of the industry where I have my fund.
On what logic you are focused in the development of algorithms? Pattern, oscillator, others?
Well, it's still mostly trend following of various time perspectives. In terms of daily data, my strategies are usually in the 10-day trading horizon. My average trade lasts about 10 days, but I can also go shorter on shorter term intraday data. But basically, all my strategies are still based on trend following and breakout in one way or another. But the most important thing for me right now is money management. Position sizing is everything. It doesn't matter where you enter and exit if you understand your position sizing. Every strategy is a breakout to me.
Okay, thank you. A famous proverb says, your worst drawdown is still to come. What measures are useful to avoid the black swan for you?
Oh, again, money management. That's why it's so important. For example, when we're talking about my trend following strategies, and I have a few strategies of different time horizons and different types of data, daily and a couple of hours, and then so on. I can enter a position in very small sizes. I might want to take on a very large size eventually when the trend is going my way, but I enter in very small sizes until I have my full position on. And that means that if the trend goes another direction before I have gone in completely, I also lose much less. I always have my stop loss in place for every trade I make. So by first dipping my toe and then my foot and then the rest of my body, I believe I stand to lose much less overall. And so far, for the last 4 years, I've been competing with other CPAs. That's what my results show.
Yes, we understand. Many people ruin themselves every day with Forex. What advice can you give to anyone who wants to tackle this difficult market?
I say, just don't believe what your forex broker wants you to do. They want you to trade way too big and with way too much leverage. And they are usually not that interested in you being profitable. They want to make money out of that little tip spread or whatever they are charging you for your trading. Just be very, very careful. And if there is one market that traditionally has functioned well for trend following, I'm sorry, I'm repeating my trend following, but if there is one market that has functioned well for trend following over years, it's currencies. Currently, it has been the backbone to many trend following strategies for 20, 25 years. Look at those type of strategies and learn to do nothing sometimes. Don't trade too hard.
Thank you. I have the last question for you. Your books helped thousands of systematic traders. Are you planning any new publication?
Actually, maybe. When I wrote the last one, I said that no, I would never write again. No articles, no books, no nothing. But my personality is that I like to write. Right now, when we have this interview, I am working on an article for Active Trader magazine, and I just like to write. And that's my way of for one thing, sharing my ideas, but also teaching myself. By writing, I am forced to really understand the research process that I'm currently working on. So I've been playing with the idea that maybe I write another book again, where I incorporate, just like in the first one, I was incorporating systems, entry and exit with money management. And it's been over 10 years now, and I have developed myself a lot away from what I did then. So this would be a completely different book. I think actually I owe it to myself and write that book before I quit this industry one day. So, okay then, yes, I will write the book.
Fine. Thank you.
You and me writing then, because you have written the book yourself. Very
good. Yeah. I think that Trading Systems at Work is a beautiful book, my favorite book about trading systems. Thank you very much, Thomas. We hope to have you soon as a guest in Italy. And would you like to give us your email address, or do you have a website?
Yeah, go to my website for the company and you find my email address there also. It's alphacraft.se. I spell it for you. ALFAKRAFT.se for Sweden Internet.
Okay, Thomas. Thank you very much. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye-bye.